Hi, today in front of me Redmi A1 Plus, and I'll show you how to hide photos on this device. So let's first open the gallery, and for example, let's hide this photo. Just to hide it, we should select this photo and click Add to Album. Click here to Private Album. So just after that one will hide this photo. To view all of the items, the hidden items, we should just swipe down in Album section. Okay, so let's tap here to OK. Next, we can sign in with the Xiaomi or with the Google account, so just let's agree. I'll use my Google account here. Let's set the privacy protection password. I'll use the pattern, for example. Just click here for not now. And now just our photo added to the private album. So just to find our hidden photos, we should just swipe to the down the album section. Okay, and enter our privacy password. So just in my case, this is the pattern. So okay, not now. And here we can see our private album with all of the hidden photos. Just to unhide them, let's just select, for example, let's unhide these 3 photos and click remove from private album, and we can create a new album or to just move them to the camera roll. Now when we'll go back to our all photos, we can see these our unhidden photos here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.